Hey everyone, it's me Bestine. Okay, today I want to show you one amazing app like Shipa Cash. Okay, so this app I normally use this app to buy card. When you buy card, they will give me percentage. They will give me some percentage. You can see in here I buy a card of 100 naira and they remove 98 naira from my account. So I have two naira. I have saved 2 naira. You can see it. Okay, so today I want to show you something. This they are doing giveaway, so I want to share it with you. Now you can see when when you refer someone, you will get 1,000. The person will also get 1,000 naira. Okay, so um, but before we do that, let me show you something. Now this Shipack is very good for investment like stock market trading or crypto investment. Like you buy Bitcoin, you can keep it when Bitcoin is very low. Like now Bitcoin is very low. Bitcoin is low now, so you can buy Bitcoin, then later when it gets high you sell it. You can see some of the transactions I've made already on this app. Okay, so when you check this side, when you check here, you can see the amount I have bought and the amount I've sold. So let me check the Ethereum side. You also find it, Ethereum. You see, so it's very easy to trade on this app. Okay, so the one of the amazing parts I have to show you. Okay, so let's go. You know, in Nigeria, it is they don't allow us to use all this it, Bitcoin, whatever. So you can use this app. So today, let me show you how to get the referral earnings. So you click on get started. You click here, get started. Then you now click invite friend. Okay. When you click invite friend, you now copy. You see copy here. You can invite friend through. You can also use the WhatsApp one. Okay. Like you can also use the WhatsApp one. Like you invite friends. Now click WhatsApp or any place you select, then you share it to. Very simple. Okay, so you get 1,000 and the person will get 1,000. That is the hot topic for now. Don't miss it. Don't forget to me, person.